Hi everyone, it's Mtuchu's OpenFn. In this video, I want to show you how you can create an OpenFn adapter. I want to walk you through what is an adapter, why is it important, and how you can create an OpenFn adapter. So let's get started. But before we start, a quick segue to what is a workflow in OpenFn. So a workflow is a collection of trigger, steps, path, and custom logic that are connected together to perform a certain business task. So let's imagine that we have this workflow that creates a patient and it runs on schedule. Every day at 12 a.m., we go fetch patient's record from Community Health Toolkit, and then we send notifications using Twilio adapter, and then we convert that patient record to a file data model so that we can create a patient to a file server, and then we anonymize those results so that we can add them in our database registry. So if you notice, each of these steps have an adapter. So for example, for the first step, we are using CHT adapter, short for Community Health Toolkit. And if you open it in the editor, you'll see that we have a couple of functions that are available for this adapter. It's the same case for all the other steps. If you open them, you'll see that, sorry, this one is downloading. But yeah, you'll see that you have a couple of functions that are available for that specific step. So an adapter is an open source module, open source JavaScript module that provides a set of helper functions that helps you perform different action to that targeted system. The primary goal is to handle authentications for you and help you with a clean and simple high-level JavaScript interface